Hello, how are we doing today? Hopefully everyone is great or night or not. If you're watching this or if you're watching on YouTube. Today we are going to continue with the uploading of contact images to Blob storage. Stream on Tuesday, or if you watch the video, we went and uploaded images straight, which is pretty cool. Now we can go and access the images at any time and they're not on our file system, so to speak. Let's take a look at, make sure. I think I actually broke something. Let me double check. I was playing around for another talk and I storage tag. Let's read storage for blobs. Oh no, it's still there. So I deleted it unless I delete it and re after I was done. Cool. So we're going to take this and move it live. So how do we go and do that? I see create one right here within Writer. You can do the same thing. There are a couple of cool options here to from. Let's make sure we right name. I kind of wish there was a way that I say, hey, publish this to prod. I don't need to back and out. I think I just want purpose VT. Types are, performance is fine. Don't need geo redundant. Post is fine. Subscribe. Don't want. Typically want the location to be where your data is coming from. A particular West US 2, so that's where we want it. And G syntax. I'm just gonna. It's expensive one, but we want basic block blobs. Locally redundant. Fine, and let's just double pricing. Oh, they changed that. Storage here. Storage accounts. Let's just do C pricing. Locally redundant storage, US2, West dollars. Yeah, super 15 cents. Much more. Your mileage maybe. Continue going with that one. Okay. In storage. Oh. You have to create actual storage name, not the stu contact. What should we call it? Let's call it ooh. Already exists. Go back and create it. Go to the portal and do this. Then those of you that are watching and I was a little late to the stream, that's because I was having network issues. My wireless or my wired connection. Don't know why. Let's do storage. When you do storage on, you'll notice that there are two different ones. storage account, and then with basic storage account, which is doing it. I'm going to choose Azure sponsorship because there's nothing else here. Coding with JoeG. Let's name X. I can only be lowercase letter. Okay. Account has already been. Oh, that's a new one. With everything else, including with JoeG dash. I can't have any dashes in there. Ooh. Oh, I know why it. Oh no, I thought it was unique per account. I'm gonna have to look. Storage. Let's do storage view or blob storage. Locally redundant. There is another price. Hot tier is ideal for access. Typically, if you're going to be viewing web images, we want hot, cool, not real time, good backups or since this is what this, we'll keep it hot. Make sure I got access kind. Storage account kinds. Really doesn't tell me. Create a general purpose review. Storage account contains all your blob. General purpose 2, basic storage account, blob purpose. Bed when possible. Blob storage accounts are premium. We want general purpose. So let's go back and this general purpose V2 locally redundant. Next. Everything. Ooh, validation pass. It's nice and green. So create. Then we should have it in a minute or so. While this is happening, next step we're going to do is provide access to this via Microsoft Identity to make sure that resource permission. This way we don't hard code it string like that. Let us go to the resource and then choose the security here. While we're at it, let's create the container. Call it contact image. Right? Contact image. Create a new container. Contact images. Public access level. Oh, could do that. We're gonna do that one for now because I want to double check everything works. We want to make sure it works, and we move to CDN. Block cleaner. So that created contact images. Now let's go back. Connection string. Oh, actually, let's go to our web. It's the one that we need to have access to. Contact web apps. Configuration first. Notice there's a lot of default here. going to add a new one for the connection. Got what we called it in source code. WebUI, JSON, contact Blob, storage account. So let's do new application setting, and then settings, when that account in a minute. Settings, container name, text, image, okay, and click. Continue. My container name. What am I looking for here? Oh, here I need the connection information. It is not here because I just, let's do the security to enable it so that we can talk back and forth between. And security, ooh, that looks complicated. That looks complicated. Pick the wrong one. Not that hard. Overview, access control, add role assignment, role, storage, count, storage, blob, data. That looks right. Allows read, write, delete. Blob contain. Want that. System signed identity service. No app services found. EG putting E. Oh, it can't find you. Why can't I find you? I can. Go back to our app. There. Role assignments. Assignments there. Yeah, great. View level of access. Possible. And do not see. I create that in description. What is it? Yeah, sponsors. Right one. Let's see why it is not working. Add assignment role storage data contributor group apps. Is it? Click resources. EW. I need to. Oh, app service. Maybe I have to add manage identity to it. Where is the app service? Where are you, app service? Filter by first group. Put this. Putting with JoeG. Should be the app service right there. Now let's look at the identity. Add role assignment. New role assignment. You don't have any access. Service. There's nothing in there. I thought this was going to be easier. Let's storage accounts, monitoring, data protection, access and performance tiers, monitoring error. Check the how-to. Hit for a second. Managed. Authorize manage identity. Azure resource. Plan. All libraries. Not what I want. From an application. Authorization. User. Like this is go. Huh. Sure why that's. Well, let's make sure it works. Get the code, then I can further secure. One last thing to here. Review. Hertz tag. Oh, I need the shared access. Start with. See if I can do assignment. The user. How my user doesn't find. I wonder if I have to create the app in. I can do that yet. Might be a reason for another stream. First group status. Oh, I need to get the connection. So could be access key. Oh, these are now public. Thank you. I'll recycle. Duration. Settings. Contact. Just be okay. Click save. Now every in there, and we should be ready to publish. Take a look at the app for a second. Sure it still runs. Commit the changes and validate. API play. Oops. Click that button. Launch. Web UI. Play. Here. Contacts. Really need to fix that bug. So annoying. I need to do is pretend I fixed it. I clear my cookie parts. Let's upload a big picture of Brian. Browse. Pictures of me. Let's do Monopoly. There we go. It's working there, so break in. Commit our code. Watch all the magic happen. Committing or adding jobs storage images. Push. That's the longest shortcut key ever. Control-Alt-Shift-K. Yes, I want to push. Push. Really don't like that. Okay, let's make sure it's pushed. Pushed. We go check the GitHub repo. We should see our action that it's working. This bad boy turns green, check mark. We go to the site, check to make sure we can. That's happening. Let's see why this part. So go here. Patient here. Add contributor. User assigned. Yeah, it's still. Learn more about it. Add over by using the portal. Who needs access? What roles? Add role by assignment. Add roles for a managed identity. Role assignments for managed identity by using IAM described earlier. Adding a role assignment for substance preview. The preview provided with that. System assigned managed. Follow these steps to assign a role to a side manage identity. Starting with the manage identity. Oh. Open. Add. Okay. This should be working by now. Yes, it did. So let's double check that first. And then we can go CG coding with G dash contacts website .net is nope. Whole week since I went there. Got the URL. It's dash web. I was slightly off. So starts, I'll clear cookies. It's the first time it's loading in a while, well, especially since we just uploaded. Fine. Identify me. I am me. There it goes. Ooh, nice. Just clean up the 99% sure that's the problem. Why is contacts not? Why did I do there? Up into development role. Huh. What did we break? Pretty sure the database is. Oh, did I change the password? Might have changed the password. Might have changed the password. Good way to check that is we can check our application insights because that should have logged the for us. And here, just to catch up, see what that was. That's not what just. The contact index hasn't caught up yet. Hasn't caught up yet. Meantime, I can change the configuration for it. Enabled. Kids, don't try this at home. Value's not even in there. Edit. A development. We'll have to go back and change. Save. Continue. And that one. Hit refresh. Still updating. Oh, should be this one. Hit refresh. That didn't do me any good. Why are you showing the error? Off the development mode. Not spell development right? I did not spell development right. Oof, man. I'm having a good day here. Clean some of this up in the future. I've been in software development 25 plus years. Can't spell the word development. Specified container doesn't exist. Interesting. Why doesn't the container exist? Why doesn't it? What did I check that I permissions right? Settings, contact, blob storage account. Should be good. This. I spelled that one wrong too. Kill me. This is why I just want to listen. Son of a biscuit. Hopefully this time. Fell right away under contact. Go. And go. Ever. It's taking forever. There we go. We know it can connect to the right. Let's go and update this one. Not so. This image to make loading, and I already chose that one. Let's do Christmas Joe. Should be double check that that works. Anyone? Pretty sure that's not what I check that. Image and patient here. Refresh you of that. Contact images on.png. Put you in our downloads folder. Let's go to downloads. On. So what we're seeing here, oh, I know why. Why did it fail, Joe? Because if you remember, when we went created, we added to the settings a contact image URL. Right now it's pointing locally. So it went. So the update app JSON. We did not because I was going to do this all the way. So see. Actually, I'm not going to do that. Because, oh, yeah, I guess I could. Let's go and date it, but they're URL. So contact URL. Contact URL. Create a new one. Settings. And the value is going to S. I don't remember the rest. So that. give us the full URL at some point. Oh, look, we can see the actual deleted block. No. Properties. Not where we want. We want this. That. Okay. Save. Continue. I know Christmas Joe was in there. I have to go different one. That's loading. We can look at this. See more tools, developer tools. This should since we see it there. It should be done by now, so refresh this. Still going to show localhost because our code wrote that in there setting. If I go and change this to that, save. I did it twice. Up it up. I hit save. And there's our Christmas Joe. Oh wait, this wasn't a picture. So now that we got there, let's see. Oh, we're at 450. We mess around with security or not. Let's go another that part working. So according to our diagram, we need to go to managed identity. So let's go with contact images. And there's a lot. Nope, not in there. It's probably at the app server. Go back to there. Contacts web. Managed. See that anywhere. Don't see. Here. System aside. Status off. Probably why. On. There it goes. Click yes. Go to storage. Entity. Access control. Role. We storage account contributor service. There we go. Should have read all the manuals, Joe. Now that has access. So now, theory, what I should be able to do, I'm going to one of these off the screen so that I can regenerate the permission, and then I'll clean them up. So while we're here, enjoy looking at my lovely. Do some cleanup for regenerating those keys. Regen, yes. Regen, yes. Now that they're regenerated, this should no longer refresh. Add for that. Yep, authentic. That's perfect. Let's go and fix that. So let's stuff here where we are. Get it to the role. We use that role here. I need to modify my connection. Let's see if I can just get rid of the from here. Select web and then this one. Web configuration. Storage account. This don't key anymore. Don't know if I need. Okay. Probably have to restart the app. Start it. Save. Now if I got this correctly. Container secure. Refresh. See in there with the lovely sweater. No valid combination of account info now. At least that's good. Let's see. Store. Go back because secure, authenticate, and authorize. And what we authorize with manage key. Need to do stink. That was stink. It's like I have to give it. It's like I have to give credential of it. Bummer. I don't know. So, oh man. Yeah, I have to change source code for that, which not going to T. So I am going to skip that for now. And then we'll continue. I'll go in my client to allow for the overloaded version of. Okay, that being said, right now, and you've learned a little out of it. I did. Need to read some documentations at a time. Being said, thanks for joining. See you on Monday further on the YouTube. Please follow me on any media listed here. Great day.